Hi everyone, we are excited to introduce you to Ziobland Star Engine Watch. Decided to solve common problem, finding a watch that's both stylish and unique. Many watches are hard to read and lack innovation. We have built Ziobland to change that. Inspired by star engines, our watch offers a bold, easy-to-read, designed with meticulous craftsmanship. Each detail is engineered for precision and luxury. With Ziobland, you are not just wearing a watch, you are experiencing cutting-edge technology and elegance on your wrist.